Makiaria kanitha-ini wa SDA wa Meru ya gatagati, atongoria ya aria ni Fred Matiang'i wa kiama kia Jubilee hamwe na Peter Munya wa kiama gia PNU maugite thirikari ni remetwo ni gutwarithia na mbere ruhonge rwa mathomo guku bururi-ini na njira iria ibatie.
The minister and the people in the education sector, it's abundantly clear that you have a problem and you have a crisis, and there is no reason why to be arrogant and refuse to accept what everyone can see. Muko na shida. And the sector has been very badly mismanaged.
Marauga nikio rukoretwo rukigumirwo ni mathina ngurani. Matiang'i akiuga ihinda ni ikinyu riu ateti kuiga ngurani ciao cia kiuteti thi na kwaraniria niguo kuhonokia ruhonge ruru.
We look like irresponsible people. Our children are suffering and we are spending time calling each other names, saying it's him who's wrong, it's how has not done this, this one who has not done this. Safari tuweke sasa shida zetu kidogo kando na tofauti zetu kwa hii issue moja tu ya elimu ya watoto wetu. Tukae chini tuone vile tunaweza kuzungumza, and I hope the government will also be reasonable and stop being arrogant and face the challenges they face.
Matiang'i augite ni harabatara nyiti itemi ihonge-ini cia githomo kwaga kunira ataramu maitho na kumakuruhania miario-ini niguo gwethera ruhonge ruru kihonia gia gutura.
I would cut down the wastage of government by over 50% and pour all that money in education and health so to stabilize the social sector.
Muru nawe Peter Munya nake ni amunyitite mbaru haha agiukirira thirikari ni guthie na mbere na gwetia magoti na kuongerera bajeti iria igayagirwo ruhonge rwa githomo no indi motungata mayo matironeka.
Budget ya education haijaenda chini, pati wale wanajua budget inaenda ikienda juu, lakini ile inafikia kasi ile inahitajika ifanyike kwa mashule, kwa university, kwa institutions zile zingine ambazo zinahitaji pesa ni kidogo, imeenda chini. Hiyo inaenda chini, budget inaenda juu.
Atongoria ya mari thiko ya gatatu riu icera-ini ria thiko ithano riria mambikite kaunti-ini cia Meru na Isiolo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo William Wainaina.